Hi guys, in this series I am trying to solve some of the random question from blind 75 of LeetCode.io. And okay, so I think we can begin from now. What I will be doing, I will be choosing a random question and will be solving it and uploading it to YouTube, obviously. Okay, so let's choose some random problem. Maximum product sub array. Okay, so yeah, I have not solved it before. Am I logged in with my ID? No. Let me log in from my ID, like the main ID. Okay. Yeah. So in this question we have been given an integer array and I've started. Yeah. Okay, we have been given an integer array and we need to find a subarray that has the largest product. We need to return the product, and it is given that the test cases are generated such that the answer will always fit in the 32-bit integer. Okay. I guess they by 32-bit they must be referring to signed 32-bit integer. Yeah. Okay, so like we need to find the largest product. Okay, so like what I can think of is let's say we have some array 2 3 minus 3 minus 2 and 4. So the answer will this. Okay, so what we will do is we can traverse from left to right and will store the current product and also the maximum product found so far. In case we are like meeting some 0, we will like reinitialize our current product to 1. Okay, and the same thing we will repeat from right to left. If you are thinking why we are doing from right to left again, it is because it may happen that we had some negative value here, but the okay, let me give an example here only. Let's say we had let me show you. Let's say we had 1 1 and minus 2 and 3 comma 2. So when we are going from left to right, we had 1 till here 1 then minus 2 and then we had minus 6 and then minus 12, but the answer is here 6. So when we are going from right to left, then only we can find it 2 then 6 then minus 12 and then minus 12 minus 12. So here we can find like 6 is our maximum. So we need to proceed in both of the ways. This is the first approach that I can get. Obviously I will be looking to the discussion section if there exists any algorithm that can do the same thing in one pass. Okay, let's find the length of the array and let's have int max equal to, it can be very low, so let have negative infinity or the smallest possible number, and current equal to 1, the current product, iterating over the array from left to right. And if the current number is 0, then what we will do is we will make our current equal to 1, or let it be prod only. Prod will represent the product will be 1. Yeah. Otherwise the product will be multiplied with the current value. And also as we still will be doing max comma prod, and let's say we had okay, the result cannot be 2 because minus 2 is not a sub-array. So why the answer is 0? Okay, because the 0 exists. Interesting. Let's say we had all negatives or maybe a single negative integer, then what will be the answer? Let me just try to visualize it because it is not clearly specified, and during an interview I think we can definitely ask from our interviewer in that case. Okay, in that case we should return minus 3. Okay, very good. So in that case we need to update some of the things. We will iterate from the first index and the product will be nothing but the first element. Okay, and if ai is 0, the ith element is 0, we will make it to be 1, and otherwise we will multiply it by thing, and we can't do it here. We will do it here only when like we are multiplying with some of the number. Now we will iterate from, say, product will be now a of n minus 1, and we will be iterating from here, and also maximum can be this thing also. Yeah. So again the same thing, then we will make our product equal to 1, and in the other case what we will do is we will be making it to be like multiplying it with the element and doing the same thing. Okay, and we will be returning the thing here. Okay, no, like the algorithm is not that clearly written, but let's say we will try to optimize it. Okay, so the answer is wrong here only. We are returning a -1, and okay, so what we can do is we can make it to be like this. Okay, let's try to submit it. Also we need to do here, oh no, like in one pass only it is sufficient. Okay, so 178 test cases passed, and in this case we were expected to return -6, obvious, oh sorry, positive 6, and what we are returning is 2. I don't think it's okay. If it is 0, then we have like this. Okay, we should have like this. Yeah, so definitely, like, it's a good question. You can see the like this here also. Okay, 187th test case. Expected is 3, and we are returning again the same thing here. Yeah. And this prod would be nothing but max. Okay, a of 0. Okay, still we are returning 1. Because this should be prod and this should be max. Okay. Yeah, now it passed, and even though it is beating 85% of the submissions, you can see, like, I tried this question many times when on July 10th, almost 11th. Okay, let's see what I did then. Okay, it looks much cleaner. Okay, prod equal to 0, then yeah. Okay. Yeah, you can do this. Yeah, even though it is fine, but we can say, clean our code like this. Let's say not remove it. Let's say product is nothing but this thing only, and max is integer of main value only. This will be 1, and this will start from 0, and we will be multiplying the product with the correct element, and we will be making the max to be max from our product. And if the product is 0, that will only happen if the current element was 0, then we will make product equal to 1. We will replicate the same thing here. Okay, we need not to do this thing again. Instead we will do product equal to 1. Yeah, now submitting it. Wrong answer. Okay, because it is going from n-2, it should go from n-1. Now it will pass. So it took -millisecond. Okay, I must say some issues there. It should write 0 millisecond. Let's try to do some development stuff here. Why it is written in 0? Sorry, -1. Okay. In the console, let's say open the network tab, submit it again. It is returning a graph query query, submission ID, point dash problem survey, again a submission ID. Okay, environment, let's say yeah, they are lost. Okay, anyway, I will check it. That's all for this video now. Thank you for joining me.